I've been standing on that business and my waters on go. The way that I was raised, I ain't never gon' fall. I wake up early to eat good, I need my eggs and toast.
Y'all like them lemon pepper steppers, don't you? Man, a funny fact about these shoes is, I swear to God, everywhere I go, if I go like to the store or something, I know somebody looking at my shoes and junk, cause these joints comfortable, you know what I'm saying? I wear them everywhere. You know, I see somebody looking at my shoes, and they'll ask me like, yeah, oh snap, man, I ain't know Adidas made Crocs. You know, where you getting them from? And I don't know if they actually like be curious about where I got the shoes from, or they trying to be funny. But they be like, where you getting them from? But I actually got these from my grandma, man. You know what I'm saying? They comfortable, dog. It's like you put your foot in the shoes like you just suck your whole foot in or something like that. You know what I'm saying? They fit real snug. I don't know where she got them from, but grandma keeps some good old house shoes around the house. So she gave them to me. I put them on. Yeah, I think I had put them on to do something at the house or something, like take the trash out or something. I was like, these comfortable right here, grandma. So she go ahead and let me have them. So yeah, man, these my lemon pepper steppers, man. Most comfortable shoes you can find. Most comfortable shoes you can find. Don't spend all that money on those Crocs. Go ahead, go somewhere like Shoe Show or something like that. Go and get you some lemon pepper steppers. What's going on, YouTube? Man, it's your boy Tactical Trail, and I'm back with another video, man, where we keeping shit tactical at all times. God, I messed up my head. You know what I'm saying? But anyways, as you can see, we out here at the range, man. We out here at the range, and we about to test out the new Sig Sauer. You know what I'm saying? About to go ahead and get up in there, and I brought the GoPro so we can get some like some POV footage. You know what I'm saying? Some POV footage where y'all can see exactly what I see. Well, similar to what I see. Yeah, man, I think we're gonna go ahead and load up the 17 round mag first. Try that out. We're gonna load up the 17 round mag first. And I brought my Glock out here too, just to get like a comparison of the triggers or the way they shoot in general. Get a comparison of that, compare the SIG to the Glock. Yeah, I think we should do a Glock versus SIG video. I get somebody else to shoot the Glock and I shoot the SIG, or vice versa, however we go. That'd be a nice little video to do. I think I might do that. Yeah, man, I brought my Glock just to see the comparison in the trigger, the recoil, and everything. I mean, it's not gonna be like a ballistics or a velocity comparison or something, because you know the SIG is a full-size pistol and the Glock 19 is a compact pistol. So of course the compact pistol gonna have a little bit more, a little bit more recoil because it got shorter barrel. So we're gonna get this mag loaded up, man. Then we're gonna go ahead over there, put some on paper, put some on steel, see what we can do. Have a nice little productive day at the range. Alright, so as y'all can see, man, we're about 5 yards from the target. The steel target is maybe about 10 yards away from us, but we're about 5 yards from the target. So we're just gonna put some rounds up on the paper target. We're gonna put probably like, we're gonna do 5 on the paper target, and then 2 on each steel target. And we're gonna do the paper target first, put 5 on the paper target, 2 on each target, then boom, 2 on paper target, 2 on steel target, 2 on the other steel target. And we do have the 17 round mag loaded up, so go ahead and put one up top. Go ahead and get this thing rocking. I'm gonna try to go headshot first. Do headshot first. Okay, so we ended up doing 6 shots. First I was pulling to the left a little bit, then I had to readjust. So the grouping it ain't too bad. 2 on target. I mean, I snipped his ear a little bit, so you know what I'm saying, he probably would have had a graze on the head, maybe. It was gonna be gone for sure though. That it was gonna be gone. So yeah, that wasn't too bad though. The recoil ain't bad. You know, I mean, I'm still on target, you know what I'm saying, and this is not the actual size of a human head, so in reality, it probably would have been all of them probably would have been headshots. But next we're gonna go for center mass and then the 2 steel target. As y'all can see, man, we got to put in some work with this gun. My grouping was not A1 at all. We got to put in some work with this gun. I did hit the steel targets, but on the paper, we definitely got to put in some work with this SIG. You know what I'm saying? That's why it's important when you get a new gun, you got to put in the work, man. You got to put in the work, or it ain't no need for you to carry that gun because you ain't gonna know what you can do with it when it's time to use it at all. So that's what we out here for, man. A new gun, put in work, you know what I'm saying? Keep trying to elevate with our pistols. Keep going up, get better and better each time we hit the range. So I'm gonna just go ahead and try to put some more some more rounds on targets. Okay. So we did a little better with this one, you know what I'm saying? Grouping was pretty good right there. You know, these headphones are annoying, man. I feel like I'm talking loud or something because I can't hear myself because the electric jumps. But yeah, we did a little better, man. Like I said, we just gotta put in the work, man. Damn, these shit's annoying. Yeah, I think I'm about to switch over to my GoPro and show y'all exactly like the recoil and everything, so y'all can get a point of view of what I see when I'm shooting the gun. So let's switch over to the GoPro, man. Alright, man, y'all seen the footage from the GoPro with the SIG. So now we're gonna go back to the GoPro and get some shots up with the Glock so we can just see the difference of the recoil and stuff. So yeah, we switching back to the GoPro. Yeah, so as y'all seen, man, the SIG definitely has less recoil than the I mean, to me, it shoots way better than the Glock to me. I mean, that's just my own personal opinion, you know. But to each his own, everybody like what they like, you know. Somebody that like Glock might not like SIG. Somebody that like SIG might not like Glock. But I mean, both are proven guns. They shoot well. They done made their name for themselves in the industry. You know what I'm saying? So we about to wrap this video up, man. So I'm gonna just finish the rest of this mag off, and I'm gonna show y'all how the 21 round mag shoot. So let's go on back over here to the targets, put some more rounds down range. Tried and true, man. Safe to say, this is my baby, man. This is a wonderful gun, man. I love this gun. This thing is sweet, man. Y'all seen my little mad thing right there, man. You know what I'm saying? My little mad drop. Yeah, it got caught up in my pocket, but that's why you don't carry mags in your pocket. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, this thing is sweet, bro. Like, can't beat it. Had to cop it. Said sorry. M17. Yeah, man, it's gonna conclude this video, man. Hope y'all enjoyed it, man. Make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe, comment, tell your mama, tell your sister, tell a friend to tell a friend, you know what I'm saying? And make sure You always keeping that shit tactical.